Hello and welcome. This is Cheryl. Thank you for joining me today. Every day for the month of December up until the 24th, I'm opening one of the windows from the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar and then creating a card or a tag with it. So today we are on day 23 and I'm opening up the window and there's a really nice Thinking of You die set. So it has a really nice font to it and it also includes the shadow die to it. So I'm going to create a floral card with one of the past dies, or I'm going to combine a few of the past dies here and use that Thinking of You sentiment on there. So once I have everything organized, I'm using some green cardstock to do the Thinking of You part of the sentiment, and then I'll do the shadow part in just a white cardstock. I have some dies from the past days that I'm going to be using as well. I'm going to be using the flowers from day 10. I'm going to be using the balloon string from day 6, but I'm going to use it as a stem for the flowers. Then I'm going to use the dotted embossing folder and emboss just a portion of my card front just for a little bit of extra detail, a little bit of extra texture on the card front. I'm also going to be using some of the sequins from day 2 as well as the bow from day 1. So I did most of my die cutting off screen just to save time, and I have everything prepped and ready to go and I'm ready to put my card together. So I chose a mat for my card front that coordinated with the sequins as well as the flowers, and I'm putting some Barely Art adhesive on the back of them to glue it together. I love using liquid adhesive for things like this. It makes it nice and easy. You can shimmy things in place if you need to, and then when it comes to things like this sentiment die, it's really easy to have this glue and a nice fine tip bottle to be able to get precise little bits of glue all over. So you'll definitely want to be using a die pick to get the script part of the sentiment out of your die. And I like to hold my die cuts with the tweezers while I'm putting the glue on there. That way I don't get any glue on my hands, as well as the fact that it helps me with placement. I can easily place it where I need it to go. I have some reverse tweezers here, so I need to squeeze them to let the die cut go. So when I'm adding the glue to it, I don't need to worry about squeezing it to be holding onto it. It will hold onto it automatically until I squeeze it to let it go. So this fine tip bottle lets me be very precise with the glue, which is perfect for sentiments like this because they are so fine and intricate. It's nice to be able to control how much you're using and not get a little bit too much on there that would seep out and ooze out. Once I've got the sentiments glued together, I can start working on assembling my flowers. Now, this particular flower set had 3 different sizes. I'm only using the 2 smallest ones. I didn't want any of the flowers to be too big for the card. And by assembling everything ahead of time, it just makes it really quick and easy when putting the card together. You could assemble the die cuts together as you're creating your card if you want to, but while we're waiting for that card base or the mat to dry on the card base, we might as well get these things ready to go. So I have the sequins and I'm just going to put those in the center of the flowers just to add a tiny little bit of sparkle to it. Again, using that Barely Art glue, and I like the fact that I can squeeze as much or as little as I need to on the center of that die cut. I'm using a jewel picker to pick those sequins up to place them nicely on the center of that flower. And then I'm taking those balloon strings that I'm using as stems and I'm gluing them to the bottom of the flower. Now these are really, really fine, so it's going to create a really fine stem. So by having it already on the flower and already dried, it's going to make assembling so much quicker and easier. Now everything is assembled, I'm ready to go. I'm going to start with that Thinking of You sentiment, once again using those tweezers to help with placement and putting the glue on the back and just placing them on the front of the card. Now, because I put these sentiments on the shadow, they're super easy to place and get nice and easy, precise placements. You could, if you want to, eliminate the shadow part of the die and just use the script part. It's just going to make it a little bit more challenging to put it on your card, but it's not impossible. You can absolutely do it. Next step is to glue down the flowers. I put a little bit of glue on the back of the flower and then a little bit on the stem as well, because I want that to be glued down to the front of the card as well. Once I'm placing these, some of my stems are a little bit too long. It's really easy to go in and take a scissors and just snip that excess off. If you don't do that, some of those stems go right in front of the sentiment and it looks a little bit odd. So once that is on, I took the bow from the day 1 die, which with the car and the presents, and I wanted to use that to tie the bouquet of flowers together. So we have a very simple, easy card, but it's a great Thinking of You card. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you tomorrow for day 24.